Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about how to find the cheapest Covert item in CS2. Mates, I'll show you an example right away. I found a Covert August. It's literally being sold for $2, as you can see. Now mates, I'm going to show you how to find the cheapest Covert item in CS2. Let's start the video. Before we do, please like and subscribe to our channel. It's greatly appreciated. Alright mates. First, let's go to the address ten.weberkeem.com. That's ten.weberkeem.com. Mates, let's go to our site. In the top right search section, let's type in CS2. Let's get into our CS2 cheapest Covert skin 2025 article. I'll quickly show you how I found it. I've explained the system below, but to save your time, we'll go directly to the CS2 skins TG address right here. Here's how we can find Covert, or red tagged, skins. We go to this link. Right now, it's entirely made up of Covert skins. We click on the advanced search area here in the order by section. We select the lowest price tag and click search. Look, here you can find Covert skins starting from $2, $5, and even $6. I clicked on this one, but it was already sold. They list them for $2, but they get snapped up instantly. For example, I'll click this, and it's gone straight away, mates, because it sells. You barely have 2 or 3 minutes before it's gone. You need to be quick here. As I said, if you select low to high from the top right here. Oh, and here, of course, you can also select the condition, like factory new. Are you looking for an AWP or a knife? You can find them this way. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, contact me at weberkeem.com or in the comments.